Hey, hello, bonjour. Welcome to Entailing Tales with Sush. Are you keeping a piggy face? Having a bad day at work? Had a quarrel with your loved one? Or you feel things are not going in the way you wanted it to? Or any negative emotion? Cheer up, cheer up. Today, March 20th, is International Day of Happiness. It's a way to recognize the importance of happiness in the lives of people around the world. Of course, every day we ought to be happy, and full of cheers. But today, and especially since you're listening to Entailing Tales with Sush, I just wanted to elevate your mood a little more and make you feel much better than how you already feel today. All of us have our own ways to shoo away our sadness. For some, it'll be spending good time with their loved ones, kids or grandparents or siblings or even pets. For some, gym is fun. Some love to sleep over their sorrows. Some of us like to eat over our sorrows. For some others, travel therapy works. I was just trying to find out new ways to make our lovely self happy. 2 tricks I have for you today. I would rather say 2 ideas. My first idea is, why don't we rewind a skill that long ago had interested us, but with time it has been forgotten? Can we just try them today and see? Like, for example, as kids, while our elders needed chapati dough, we would steal a little or get some with permission and create our own clay models and play. We used to make use of chocolate wrappers as mouth organ, create weird sounds, and annoy or show off our talent to the ones around us. Or just go through the pages of our old notebooks or stamp book or coin collection book and laugh out the memories we had collecting them, or rather stealing them. Yeah. My favorite would be to go through our old slam books, to see the nicknames of all of us and to rekindle the kind of rapport we had with them. Some people we thought would be our best friends forever would have been forgotten forever now. Some, then enemies, will be the ones who stood with us through life later on. That would be real fun. The next idea to happiness is, what's better happiness than in seeing someone else happy? Why don't we surprise someone? Even little surprises are awesome, trust me. It's not always about money, it's about a thought for the other person. Just grab a nice chocolate or fruit or anything nice. Go to the road and give it to the person whom you feel would enjoy it more than yourself. Can be anyone, a kid or an old grandpa on the road, or even a grocer near our home. Or just grab a few biscuits and feed a few stray dogs. Or give some grains or food to the birds, or just fill a pot of water for them, especially this summer season when it's dry everywhere and little birds are very thirsty. You would enjoy the emotions that would follow, and maybe get a few nice snaps clicked as well. Or just surprise a person you love, or surprise call a friend whom you would not have contacted for years. Anyone. They'll be so happy and so will you be. It's exciting. If not anything else, just turn around and give a hug to your loved ones who's right next to you at home. They would have been that person who has put up with every phase you have to show them, and even after all that loves you a lot. I'm sure they deserve a warm hug or at least some kind words today. Changes are inevitable. Things can change anytime for the good or better or the best. So do not waste a chance to make yourself and the people around you happy. One other thing I want to convey is, age is just a number. I have told this in one of my previous episodes as well. There is beauty in every age and every stage of life. Do you want to dance or jump around at 60? Please do so if you love to. If not now, then when? Always be and feel youthful. Keep your body and mind active. Be as inquisitive as a baby. Mentally be attractive and attract things that make you happy. Let's avoid anything that is not positive and making you feel low. It's important, very important to strongly focus on the good things that happen every day, to count the countless number of blessings we have received. There are problems all over the world, but when you think of this Mother Earth, it's that beautiful blue and green picture we imagine. It's stunning, right? Let's focus on the colorful side of every aspect in life. Pave your way to happiness. It's within you. You are the positivity. You define happiness, and you have the secret to happiness within you. Even if you feel a little better than what you felt a little earlier, I'm very happy. Thank you for listening to me. That's Sush signing off until we meet again on yet another episode from Entailing Tales.